Are you looking for high-quality, reliable cordless pressure washer to clean your car? Then you will be pleased to know that there are some highly rated models on the market. From small, portable models to large, powerful ones, this video covers the 5 best cordless pressure washers for cleaning cars and other vehicles. I have researched the latest models, taking into account customer feedback, and focused on the features most important for effective car cleaning. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is WORX 20-volt brushless Hydroshot cordless high-flow pressure washer. This pressure washer is powered by a 20-volt brushless motor, delivering efficient and reliable cleaning performance. It also features an extended runtime of 50% more than standard pressure washers, while supplying 25% more power with 10x longer motor life than a brushed motor. With so much extra power behind it, you can be sure that your outdoor cleanup will be quick with long-lasting results. Its pressure output of 350 psi is 6 times the standard garden hose's force, so it can easily blast off dirt and grime from your car like never before. With this much power at hand, stubborn stains won't stand a chance. With 5 different spray patterns, from 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees watering mode, you can customize the pressure output for any job you need to do. Its innovative self-priming function allows it to draw water from any fresh source, saving you the time and hassle of hauling a container of water around. And lastly, this pressure washer is only 5.5 pounds and has a 13.5 Oz soap mixture container, making it super convenient for the person who wants to pressure wash his car. Number 2 is Greenworks 24-volt portable power cleaner. The Greenworks 24-volt portable power cleaner offers up to 600 psi max and 0.8 GPM max, making it the ideal cleaning tool for your car. This handy power cleaner provides enough pressure and flow rate to remove even the toughest dirt and grime from your vehicle's exterior in no time. It is also lightweight and easy to use, so you can easily keep your pride and joy spotless with minimal effort. It comes with a utility bristle brush that is ideal for deep cleaning your wheel wells and scrubbing away dirt and grime. It comes with an 11.9-inch extension wand, a 20 FT siphon hose, a garden hose adapter, and a 13-ounce detergent bottle that are designed to help you reach every area of your vehicle with ease. And lastly, it offers users unlimited spraying options with its 5-in-1 selectable spray patterns. Whether you need to reach tight corners or wash large surfaces, you can customize the pressure and nozzle settings according to how much power you need. Number 3 is Aihand cordless power washer. This cordless power washer offers unmatched cleaning strength with a powerful 652 psi water pressure and the motor capable of spraying up to 215 liters per hour. This allows you to deep clean your car quickly and efficiently so that you can bring back its factory appearance without filling your garage with bulky, inconvenient equipment. At 2.5 pounds, it's lightweight and won't cause fatigue during heavy use. Furthermore, the 16.5 hose comes equipped with a filter basket that helps keep the water clean from impurities, particles, waste, leaves, or sludge, and is effective for use in cleaning your vehicle anywhere. The Aihand cordless power washer features a powerful 4.0 amp 21-volt battery to offer a generous 45-minute working time with each full charge and dependable cleaning power. With 3 different spray nozzles and a 400 ml mixture container included, you can effortlessly spruce up your car by freshening and scrubbing it with a strong detergent solution or a gentle foam wash. Number 4 is MOKENEYE cordless pressure washer gun. The MOKENEYE cordless pressure washer gun offers a powerful punch cleaning with up to 350 psi. This compact and cordless pressure washer gun is ideal for cleaning cars, boats, or motorbikes, providing you with the freedom to move quickly when tackling those tough cleaning jobs. It provides an incredible 30 minutes of cleaning time due to its 4.0 amp high-capacity lithium-ion battery, allowing you to clean your car anywhere and anytime with ease. Its 15.3-inch rod can extend up to 26 inches, giving you plenty of reach and flexibility to get into difficult corners and crannies where dirt, dust, and grime tend to accumulate. A car wash experience has never been simpler with this cordless pressure washer gun. With a 22-foot jet range, it allows for long-range cleaning without the need to connect hoses or wires. Additionally, this device features 2 jet mode options, providing adjustable pressure settings that allow you to apply the perfect amount of power depending on your needs and surface type. Number 5 is AIVOLT Cordless Power Washer. Power with water pressure is the name of the game when it comes to AIVOLT. The 800 psi working pressure and 0.9 of water flow are ideal for home or outdoor cleaning and only weigh 6 pounds, so you can take it anywhere. Plus, AIVOLT's ergonomic design provides maximum comfort while you work, so you can stay focused on your task. And its 60-minute runtime gives you enough power to get the job done in one go without wastefully running out of juice.